Open your book to page 203. This lesson is to simplify quotients by using the law of exponents. So basically, you just need to know how to simplify fractions. So it has rules. So like the multiplying fractions, so when you have P over Q, if you times by R over S, so when you multiply the top with the top, so it become PR, and the denominator with the denominator, so you get QS. So that's it, right? And if you go to the cancellation rule on the bottom, if you have P times R over Q times R, so this one, the R can cancel out. So notice you got R and R, so this can cancel out, so that this becomes equal to P over Q. Yeah, so again, these are very basic stuff that you should know since you're pre-algebra, right? Now let's go to page 204. Again, these are reviews of the laws. So the first law is a product rule, right? So you got a to the n times a to the n. This will equal to a to the n plus n. So again, when you multiply, you add the exponents. The example of that would be if you have an a squared times a to the 3, this will equal to a to the 5, right? So again, very simple. Okay, and let's go to the second law. You have an a b to the m. So when you have more than one factor in the parentheses, you just apply the distributive property over that. So this will becomes a to the m, b to the m. Okay, example of that would be if you have a b to the 3, this will equal to a to the 3, b to the 3. Okay. So again, all these are review stuff. Right? You guys should kind of know all this already. Okay, number 3 is the power rule, right? So you got a to the m to the n. So when you have exponent of exponent, you have to multiply. So you got a to the m times n. So example of that would be if you have a to the 2 to the 3, so this will equal to a to the 6, right? You multiply. Now make sure you know the difference between the power rule and the product rule. Okay? So make sure you know the difference between the two. Okay? Again, when you multiply, you add. When you have exponent of exponent, you multiply the exponent. And number 4, you have a to the m over a to the n. So this one, you just go and subtract. So if the top is bigger, you just go and subtract. Okay, example of that would be if you have a to the 5 over a squared, this will equal to a to the 3, right? Just subtract. Now so this is when m is greater than n. Now if n is greater than m, so if the bottom is bigger, then this will equal to 1 over a to the n minus m. So example of that would be if you have a to the 2 over a to the 5, this will equal to 1 over a to the 3. Okay. Again, all these are review. All this you should know this already, right? Again, very simple stuff. Okay, number 5. Again, you got multiple parts. So this is same thing. Okay, number 5 and number 2 are the same. It's just that these are the multiplication. This is division. So this will you just again distribute, right? So you got a to the m over b to the m. Again, example of that would be if you have a over b to the 3, this will equal to a to the 3 over b to the 3. Okay. All these are very straightforward. Okay. Okay. So let's go over example. So again, these are quick review on the exponents. You probably know this from pre-algebra, right? And you also review that in algebra 1. Okay. So let's go to page 204, the example. A, you have 12 x to the 3 y squared over 18 x y to the 5. Okay, so when you simplify, you do the number, then go down the alphabet. So 12 and 18, both are divisible by 6. So divide by 6, you get 2. Divide by 6, you get 3. So you get 2 over 3. Then you go down the alphabet, x, and you got x cubed, right? So you can cancel, you get x squared, right? Then you got y squared, y to the 5, right? You cancel, so you get y to the 3 on the bottom. Okay, and that's it. Okay, again, very simple things. Okay, let's go to B. You have 3h to the 3 over 4k squared times 2k over h squared to the 3 power. Okay, so you need to apply the order of operation. So when you have the cube to the parentheses, you need to simplify this part first before you multiply. Okay, so you can apply the power rule first before you apply the product rule. So leave the first part alone. So work out this part over here. So 2 to the 3 power is 8. Right? 2 to the 3 power is 8. K to the 3 is K3. H squared to the 3 is H to the 6. So now you can go and work things out. So notice the 4 and the 8 can cancel into 2, right? And so you're going to get 6, right? That takes care of the number. Then you have the alphabet. This one and this one, you get h to the 3 on the bottom. And the k squared and k cubed, you get k on the top. Okay? And so that's it. Okay, so again, it's a very simple lesson. Okay, so let's go and do practice.